ito nga yung lugar na yon dito sa London. Alright, nandito kami oh. Kasama ko si Josie dito sa may London Bridge. Ayan siya oh. Oh wow. Maganda pa yan. Sana ng London Bridge makikita namin si Big Ben. Ang nayak Big Ben. Ang Buckingham Palace. Ayan. Hi! Hello! Alright. Ayan talagang pinuno ng mafia. Hey yo, mga kaibigan, sasakay kami ng ferry ngayon at lilibot sila dito sa lake ng London. Ayan. Sasakay kami sa ferry, ayan, nasa likod. Alright. Kami nila Papa Chong. Ayan. Lilibot kami, dadaan kami ng sana ng London Bridge. Makikita namin si Big Ben. Ang nayak Big Ben.
At saka
ang Buckingham Palace. Ayan, ang titignan namin yan. At ito yung pang-cruise na bangkang hani na. Alright. Okay, kita-kita tayo sa loob. And alright. Nandito na kami sa loob ng ferry. At try namin dito, which is good. Alright. Ulala. Ito naman. Wow. At nandito na nga kami sa City Cruises. Ayan, by Hornblower City Cruises. Ayan. At sasakay kami dito at lilibot kami dito sa river cruise ng London. Ayan. I love you. Ayan si paring Jun, no? Nasa river cruise kami dalawa. Alright. We're the man. Hi. Hello. Boss Margie. Alright. Ayan talagang pinuno ng mafia.
ito.
Ayan. Si Don Vito Corleone tsaka si Al Pacino. Alright. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang ganda. Alright. Sa background ko, tingnan nyo naman. Ang building ng London. Ayan. Building ng London. Sa likod ko. Nasa City Cruises kami. City Cruises by Hornblower. Wow. Popromote ko na yan. Kasama ko si Paring Jun. Alright. He's the man. Panalo. Alright. Dito tayo. At sa likuran ko ngayon, hinahabol kami ng escort namin. Ayun, ang escort namin yung Fastcraft. Alright. Wow, approaching na kami sa London Bridge. Ayan, sa likod namin. Ayan ang London Bridge. Ayan ang mga makikita mong building sa sa movie. Yan, yung mga building na yan, sa London Bridge. Ayan o. Tingnan mo. Alright. London Bridge! Yan ang iconic na London Bridge. Wow! Imagine, sa pelikula ko lang siya nakikita ngayon. Napuntahan ko na siya. Wow, it's amazing. Ayan, oh. Dadaan kami sa ilalim. Look at that. Amazing. Malapit na namin dadaanan sa ilalim ng London Bridge. So pagkalampas natin, yan magsisilbing background ko sa likod. Kaya iniintay ko. Medyo mga in 5 minutes. So kita tayo ulit. At eto na nga, nandito na kami sa ilalim. At yung cruise namin, dadaan siya dito. Alright, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Alright. Ayan na. All good, look at that. Alright, nandito kami oh. Kasama ko si Josie sa may London Bridge. Ayan siya oh. Oh wow. Maganda pa yan, lalampas pa tayo. Background. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Yan.
Yeah,
Oh, into pala siya.
Into talaga.
Ako na lang kayo. Oh, sandali. Sandali. Ano?
Nanay ko. Sabi na.
Sarap na ng buhay ko kanina dito eh. Sarap na ng buhay ko kanina dito.
Teka lang, mali.
Dito, doon.
Oh, yan. Sa background namin ni Josie. Oh.
Yeah.
London Bridge. Ayan. Alright.
Ayaw, patagilid.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. At bukas itatry namin maglakad dyan sa taas. Pwede maglakad doon sa taas. Dahil tumatawid doon.
Salamat. Pinahiram ni Nico yung gloves. Pwede sa phone.
Alright. Tignan mo naman. Iconic na London Bridge. At nakita ko rin.
Ako natin, Mal.
Alright. Kayong dalawa, gusto ko anak ko kayo. Oo, nakatigil naman. Ayun na, kukuha na kami. Magpapagroup picture kami dito sa likod ng boss. Thank you. We love you. And dito sa London Bridge na nasa likod namin. Alright, thank you. Hanggang sa muli.
Sa pelikula.
Hanggang tayo mga bata. Salisikap. Salisikap.
Sa kanta na don't it.
Alright.
Oh, ali.
Okay, sabay nga. Yeah. Alright, hello.
Yung bag mo. Sagwa. Mamaya hotel pa rin yung mga...
Alright.
Meme.
Oh, wow. Isang kiss naman dyan, oh. Isang kiss naman, oh. Oh, Mars! Yan. Let's go masyado.
Free ng child.
Yeah!
Ew.
Haunting Land Wales. It's a museum now. You go on there if you want, and there are 9 decks to it. Just over
At
here
sa
to the
likuran ko,
right,
meron silang worship dito, pero ginawa na nilang museum. First time kong bukod pa sa Subic, dito rin ako nakakita ng
this is
pangalawa
known
kong
as Waterguard
worship.
House. This is home to the
Ayan, nasa
customs
kabila ako.
office. All that stuff that they want to ignore at the airports, like drugs and children. We always hear regularly that their Christmas parties, they are absolutely spectacular. So there's the customs office. Just up to the left, you can see the tallest building in Western Europe. There's the Shard of Glass. It's over 1,000 feet tall. It's over 2. You'll see the
Wow, tallest building in London.
It's called the Golden Point.
Yeah, that's the background
It was Sir
namin.
Francis Drake's flagship
Yeah, ito
vessel.
pala yung
He was
London
the
Bridge.
first Englishman to sail a boat around the world. As he navigated
Ito yung isa pang
around the
London
world,
Bridge talaga. Ayan o.
Spanish Armada,
Ang Old London Bridge.
so much gold,
Ba?
he wiped out his country's
Ayan, London Bridge.
So
Ito rin.
the Golden Point, the private ship
Wow,
is a
look at that.
museum, and it's a fantastic place for the children. They
Wow.
dress them up as pirates.
Yeah,
They
some
can
bridge
go
na
onto
naman.
the ship. They can run around.
Ganda na ito na ito. Pero kita mo ang gawa.
reenacts
Another
all
bridge
of
na naman.
Another bridge.
these
Very
plays
iconic
from
bridge.
the 23rd to the end of October, and the plays are done with the Duke of Wellington, Lord Horatio Nelson, Alexander
approaching the footbridge.
Penicillin, and also Sir Christopher Wren. They are all buried in the crypt of St Paul's. Above the dome there on the cathedral, we do have the black metal railings, which is a viewing
Ayan ang footbridge nila rito.
City of London.
Same as in Yarra River.
City of London.
Wow. Grabe, oh.
Great place to visit.
City of London School sa kabilang side. Yan ako nag-aaral. Kami dalawa ni Parang Jun, dyan kami nag-aaral. Yan. City of London.
Diyan kami nagtapos eh.
On average, we get to 7 grades. This is the Greek cross line that you see either side on the floor. So there's the 7 meters.
Oh, wow.
Because I understand not everyone has English as their first language. Now folks, I don't usually talk like this. As we come through, we can now see the largest observation wheel in Europe. There is the London Eye. The London Eye was put there in the year 2000. It came up the river on the 26th, and put all together on the trains. 32 glass capsules
Approaching,
on the line.
that's the Eye of London.
The 32 boroughs of London. Now when you get to the top, they call the clock tower with the 4 faces on it. Everyone calls it
Kita na?
Lalapit pa.
something like that. Because, ladies and gentlemen, the last crowd of people we had on this boat, we told them that, and we got silence. No one could take the Australian dollars. We do
Nasa
take
likuran ko yung Big
euros
Ben,
as
ayan,
well
ah.
from
Nakikita
all
nyo?
people. We take dollars from
That's
the
Big Ben.
Americans. And
Here
if
in
you are
London.
local people, the lovely
The
pound
clock
note,
tower.
the 5, 10, 20 pound note,
Queen's Tower.
we take that as well.
Alright. At ayun na nga. Big Ben na nasa likod ko. Oh, wow, we're in London. Ayan o. Ayan, clock tower. Wow, see that?
Oh yeah, you want to pay, pero you have to pay. Private.
There you go.
How about cigarettes? But because otherwise I'm waiting for, I only need this now. And then I'm also taking the wants to.
Wow, Josie, here is the clock tower. Yung ano, Queen's Tower, no? Tawag. Wow, Big Ben. Look at that. Hi, ma. Hi. Alright, Josie. Okay. Dari Ayan, meron din silang Remembrance Day dito ngayon dito sa London. Ganda. Ano? Ayan. Ayan. Sa likod ko. Ganito yung nakikita ko kapag nagpapapicture sila doon sa kabayo. Dito sa London. Na bawal hawakan. It's like that. Ito nga yung lugar na yon dito sa London. Sa mga nagpapapicture sila doon sa may kabayo. Ayan yan. Right. Ikot ko kayo.